no time. And nothing to worry about, because they offer mock exams and mock interviews to prepare you for your visa interviews.
Really, Nam?
Yes, Mama. In fact, talking to you now, already book your flight at travelbetter.com, and I've sent you all the booking details right now. Check your phone.
Let me check my other phone. Sorry. Hold on.
Mama, I don't have time. We'll check and call them now. Call their customer care now. They are available 247.
I've seen the number. I will call them since you said that they are reliable. I will call.
Yes, Mama, they are. 247. You can call them at any time. One person will attend to you, and they are very guaranteed and trustworthy.
Okay.
Okay, Mama. See you next month. Bye.
Okay, greet our wife also. Oh.
Don't forget our egusi soup.
I will not. Oh, Namdi, I won't forget.
Hello, good afternoon. I'm Mr. Tunde from Travel Better.
I love your company. I have never had any service that was so smooth. Thank you.
No problem. Thank you. Welcome. I know